Welcome to Alvita Cuisine. In this video, we'll show you how to cook a recipe inspired by Refissa, a fantastic Moroccan dish. We need the following ingredients for 2 people. 1 lime, 250 grams of chicken fillets, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 jar of Refissa sauce, 360 grams, 1 sprig of coriander and some basmati rice. Start by cutting the lime in half and then into slices, which will serve as an accompaniment. Cut the 250 grams of chicken fillets into small cubes of about 2 centimeters. Next, put the olive oil in the saucepan, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, and then add the cubed chicken fillets. Fry over a high heat for 5 minutes, stirring regularly. We recommend adding a pinch of salt, but not too much, since the sauce already contains salt. Next, we add our Refissa sauce, at least 300 grams. Lower the heat and cook for about 10 minutes until the chicken has absorbed all the flavors. Finally, we accompany our chicken fillets in the Refissa sauce with some previously prepared basmati rice. And we use the lime and coriander to give a touch of freshness to our dish. Our dish is ready. We're sure it will be a success. Thanks for your attention and enjoy your meal.